Last year, 2017, was my most successful year ever on the internet. Can I repeat that success in 2018? Nobody knows. Of course, I forgot to turn on caffeine, but you know what? I'm gonna leave it. Hello guys, how are you? David Franco here from davidfran.co/2018. Go there. It's an instant shortcut that will take you to this year's annual New Year's resolution, goals, achievements, whatever you want to call it, blog post. So check it out, davidfran.co/2018. Okay, so this is an annual tradition of mine, as you can probably tell, and while I typically like to focus on my goals for the next 12 months, however, I also like to focus on my goals for the previous 12 months, and well, just to briefly talk about things I've accomplished and things I've failed at, because don't forget, there's nothing wrong with failure. I would much rather fail at something than not try at all. After all, that's how you grow in this world. That's how you mature into a better person, into a better content creator. So, let's get started. Looking back on 2017, like I said, it was easily my best year yet. This goes for content and especially finances. It was just, financially speaking, my most successful year to date, and I could not be more proud. But of course, that does not happen without your support, so thank you so much for everything you have done for me. Alright, so let's start with my Patreon campaign. As promised, my Patreon campaign actually received its very own website over at davidspatreoncampaign.com. Okay, so not only did this allow me to have a lot more control and flexibility over the content that I share on Patreon, but it gave you guys, my patrons, much easier access to my content. As much as I love patreon.com, shout out to you guys, thank you for everything you've done for me. The website is kind of, I hate to say this, horrible to navigate for older content. So, if you go to davidspatreoncampaign.com and click on the vlogs link, you'll see that I have every single patrons-only vlog neatly categorized into years. For any year, ranging from 2015 all the way up to 2018. And I think that's a huge deal. So yeah, that was definitely big for me, and I'm glad it succeeded. The Franco University, let's talk about it. Yes, the website is still live, and no, it's not going anywhere anytime soon, if ever, because it's definitely my pride and joy. I'm not putting as much time into it as I was hoping I would. That's just because I'm so busy with other content nowadays. I try to balance my time, but I definitely want to see DFU grow into something bigger and a lot more mature. But as of today, it's not a huge website, it's not a huge hit, but I definitely think it's one of the best projects I've executed in recent years. I just have to simply market it more. Get a little hot in here. One second, I need water. Staying hydrated is important because, as you can see, my skin likes to break out a lot. And yes, I'm keeping that in this video because this is the real me. I'm not gonna pretend to be anyone else. We all have our flaws and our annoyances in life, and this is definitely one of mine. I get hot way too easily. Okay, so anyway, that's DFU. There's really not much else to say about it. So let's move on to YouTube and partnerships. So one of my main goals for 2017 was to expand myself in terms of branding with partnerships, advertising deals, and all that stuff. And guys, let me say this, 2017 closed in a big way for me. I formed partnerships with Razer, Energizer, and I even had a TV ad, my first ever TV ad in the UK for Iceland Foods. That alone was huge for me. And yes, for those wondering, I was compensated well. So yeah, 2017 just had an awesome close. Now talking about tech briefly, Project 4K was a huge success. Not only did I get my first ever 4K TV, but I got new speakers, you know, the left and right channels, the center channel. I got a new receiver, and all of that happened around the same time that I got my Nintendo Switch. So March in general was just an insane month for me, and I have vlogs all about that. So just go to my channel and search Nintendo Switch or 4K TV, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Yes, that was definitely a lot of fun. And finally, we cannot forget another big way of closing out 2017 was building my first gaming PC in more than 10 years. Yes, it's been over 10 years since I built a gaming PC, and I've been loving it. Okay, not so much lately because I've been experiencing blue screen of death like a lot. I think it's mainly thanks to that Intel update. Now a bunch of my drivers aren't talking to one another, but that's okay, that's okay. I'll talk about that in the weekend of Vlog. Okay, so there you go. 2017 was a huge year. Of course, I didn't talk about every single thing I accomplished and failed at or whatever. But if you're curious, you can always go back in time and watch previous vlogs, because I like to think I'm a very transparent person. Okay, so moving forward, 2018, year of the affiliate. I am huge with affiliate networks. I've just always been fascinated by the idea of recommending a product, such as this iPad Pro, and having someone else buy this iPad Pro, and then I get a commission off it. That's basically what being an affiliate is, and there are actually people who literally make a living out of being an affiliate. I'm talking people make millions a year. Yeah, so if you want to grow in the world of affiliate networks, it's not that easy. It is extremely saturated, but I've been doing my best for over 10 years now, just trying to grow myself. I mean, I'm making more and more each month with you know, platforms like Amazon Associates, but I want to go beyond that level. I'm not like making a ton of money off these affiliate networks. It's kind of just, you know, enough to pay some bills and whatever. But I definitely want to grow myself to a much larger scale, and that's why I'm scaling back on YouTube. Yeah, I mean, I just want to put more of my time into my non-YouTube work, such as marketing and advertising, website design, and the list goes on, and all of that ties together into becoming a larger affiliate. So that's definitely a primary goal of mine moving forward in 2018. Next up, Twitch. I'm a Twitch affiliate, so yeah, that's no accident. That's why I'm calling 2018 year of the affiliate. Ever since I became a Twitch affiliate, I've just been taking Twitch a lot more seriously, because I feel like I'm better represented on Twitch as an affiliate. It makes me into somebody, because once I was a nobody on Twitch, and like anything on the internet, growing on Twitch isn't necessarily easy. It takes a lot of time, a lot of patience, a lot of work, many hours of dedication. It just takes time. It simply takes time. And just like growing myself as an affiliate in general, I definitely want to grow a lot bigger on Twitch. Currently, I have over 2,100 followers, and I'm very, very grateful for that, so thank you. But my goal for 2018 is to surpass 10,000 followers by the end of this year. And I think that's possible. That shouldn't take too long. I mean, who knows? It could happen by the fall time. But yeah. Follow me on Twitch, I appreciate it. Guys, I stream all the time. I mean, it's almost daily, but I typically stream on my PC, PS4, or Xbox One. And soon it's gonna be so much more, because I am completely redoing my Twitch setup in my bedroom. It's gonna be pretty sweet. So that is Twitch. Next up, I'm calling this Project Wix. And I actually started working on this last night, and so far it's going beautifully. It just comes down to actually creating the content. So Project Wix, tying in with, once again, the theme of being an affiliate. I am a proud Wix affiliate, and well, I'm very excited about this. Wix is an amazing website creation platform. I think it's better than Squarespace in some ways, but then again, Squarespace is better than Wix in some ways. That's why I don't limit myself to just one choice or one platform. I will never, ever understand that mindset, especially in the gaming industry. PlayStation over Xbox. Xbox, no. Try anything and try everything. So anyway, that's my view on life. Do not limit yourself, and well, that's exactly what I'm doing. I just want to expand my horizon in terms of content creation, affiliate networks, and possible clientele in the future. And well, that's why I'm taking a very serious interest in Wix. Okay, so I'm not going to talk about Wix too much in this video, but definitely expect additional details regarding Wix in future videos. But do know this, I am a Wix affiliate, and if you want to try out Wix for completely free, use my link right below, please. I appreciate it. It could be a great way of kickstarting my Wix affiliation. Oh, and also, I guess I should tell you what Project Wix means. I'm basically going to be building a website in relation to Wix. Details later. Scaling back on YouTube. I talked about this in the previous weekend vlog, but I'm going to talk about it again right now. Yeah, I'm scaling back on YouTube. If you haven't noticed, I'm not uploading every single day like I used to, at least between Mondays and Fridays. However, it's important to know this. The weekend vlog will continue to be published on Mondays, and the Patrons Only vlog will continue to be published on Fridays. That is not changing whatsoever. But in regards to other days, like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and even Saturday and Sunday, I can upload a new video at any date and at any time. I'm not limiting myself to a schedule anymore. I just want to be free. And while honestly being free gives me more time to make better videos, and hopefully you've noticed that in recent videos I'm not like on an MKBHD's, you know, kind of quality level, but yeah, I'm definitely interested in growing myself as a content creator, and I just want to appear more professional while being myself at the same time. So yes, for that to happen, I'm gonna have to scale back on YouTube. I'm gonna have to put more time into other projects, whether they're YouTube related or non-YouTube related. So there you go. Not necessarily a bad thing, but definitely a win-win for everyone involved. And now everything else. It literally says, and everything else, because, well, being a self-employed content creator, this is my job, this is my career. I don't know what I'll be doing tomorrow. Seriously, I don't. I could wake up and have an email that could introduce an entirely new opportunity for me, and I could go from this direction to this direction, or from this direction to this direction. That's the beauty of having your job online. Anything is possible, anything. Because once again, did you ever expect for me to be in a UK TV ad? I didn't expect it. That was an amazing email to wake up to. So who knows what 2018 brings? The internet is quite literally infinite. So do not limit yourself. Stop saying you're gonna do something and just do it. Stop saying it and start doing it. That's my best advice that I can give you. As well as myself, because sometimes I have trouble motivating myself to get started on a new project or a video or whatever. But guys, honestly, once you do get started, it's a lot easier from there on out, because you just fall into some kind of routine, you feel more motivated, you feel more inspired, and you just feel creative. That's what this is all about, being creative and being yourself. So guys, there you have it. Those are my goals for 2018. Of course, if you want to read this in textual form, you can do that once again, davidfran.co/2018. It's linked right below. So, what are your goals for 2018? List 3 things that you're hoping to accomplish throughout the next 12 months. And finally, once again, thank you so much for your support. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. I wouldn't have my own office space, or I wouldn't be living in Strasbourg, or I just wouldn't be making this video. YouTube is amazing. Simple as that, and I will end it with that. Thank you guys so much. Happy 2018, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.